Welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks for living healthy and share motivational speeches for your daily grind. In today's video, I'm going to show you some fun and easy ways to get active during this fall season. Fall is a beautiful time of year, with cooler temperatures, colorful leaves, and cozy vibes. But it can also be a challenge to stay motivated and fit, especially when the days get shorter and the holidays approach. That's why I've compiled a list of fall activities that you can do with your family, friends, or by yourself, to keep your body and mind in shape. Let's get started. The first activity is to go for a hike in the woods. Hiking is a great way to enjoy the fall scenery, breathe some fresh air, and burn some calories. Hiking can also improve your brain health, cognitive function, and mood. You can find hiking trails near you by using apps like AllTrails or Hiking Project, or by visiting your local park or nature reserve. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes, layers of clothing, and bring water and snacks. You can also make it more fun by playing games like I Spy or collecting leaves along the way. The second activity is to visit a pumpkin patch or an apple orchard. These are classic fall destinations that offer more than just picking fruits or vegetables. You can also enjoy hay rides, corn mazes, and petting zoos, among other local activities. Plus, you'll get some physical activity by walking around, carrying your produce, and climbing ladders. And you'll have some delicious and nutritious food to take home and cook with. The third activity is to do some yard work. This may not sound like the most exciting thing to do, but it can actually be a great way to get active and productive at the same time. Raking leaves, trimming branches, planting bulbs, and cleaning gutters are all tasks that require strength, endurance, and coordination. You can also make it more fun by listening to music, inviting a friend over, or rewarding yourself with a hot drink or a treat afterwards. The fourth activity is to join a fall sports league or club. Fall is a perfect time to try a new sport or activity that you've always wanted to learn or improve on. Whether it's soccer, football, tennis, golf, or something else, there are plenty of options for all ages and skill levels. Joining a sports league or club can help you stay fit, socialize with others, and have fun. You can find local sports leagues or clubs online or through your community center. The fifth activity is to do some indoor exercises at home. Sometimes, the weather may not cooperate with your outdoor plans, or you may just feel like staying in. That doesn't mean you have to skip your workout though. There are many indoor exercises that you can do at home with little or no equipment. For example, you can do some yoga, Pilates, dancing, jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, or anything else that gets your heart rate up and your muscles working. You can also follow along with online videos or apps that offer guided workouts for different levels and goals. These are just some of the ways that you can get active during the fall season. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite fall activity is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.